Okay, this is the official procedure, how to empty your waste ink bottle and also how to reset the counter for the waste ink. So if you press the menu button, go into maintenance, and we're going to scroll down until you hit drain bottle. Hit that and execute. As you can see, it shows you the instructions on the screen. So what you're going to do is remove the waste ink bottle. So we're going to do that now. So if you do it at a bit of an angle, because there is a spout that needs to go into the hole of the bottle, empty it, pop it back in the machine again at a bit of an angle, and then you just press the finish button and you're all good.